Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate token swaps on Uniswap with approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate token swaps on Uniswap, you'll first need a compatible wallet like MetaMask. Begin by ensuring you have some Ether in your wallet for gas fees. Next, navigate to the Uniswap interface. Connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the upper right corner. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. Once connected, choose the tokens you wish to swap from the drop-down menus. Input the amount of the token you want to swap. As you input the amount, the interface will display the estimated output for the swap. Click on the Approve button next to the token you are swapping from. A notification from your wallet will appear, prompting you to confirm the approval transaction. Review the gas fee and click Confirm to proceed with the approval. After the approval transaction is confirmed, return to the Uniswap interface. Now click on the Swap button after rechecking the transaction details. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the swap transaction. Review the details, including the gas fees, and click Confirm again. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. Once the swap is successful, you'll receive a notification in your wallet. You can check your wallet balance to confirm the new token has been received. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated a token swap on Uniswap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.